Hello everyone and welcome back to Mom's Nest. Today's video is quite an impromptu video. Last week, Adit gave his first English Olympiad exam, which kind of prompted me to make this video. So what am I going to do in this video is I'll be reviewing all the books that we bought for the preparation of English Olympiad. So if you are a parent whose child is going to give his Olympiad exams for English subject, this video is for you. Or even if you are a parent of a child who is in second grade and you want to buy books but are not sure which ones to buy, which is good for English preparation, then this video is for you. Also, if you are a parent who want to invest in books that will genuinely help your child in success in English language without wasting money and time, then this video is for you. So without further ado, let's just get started with the video. So what can you expect in this video from me? I'll be giving you a complete flip through of each of these books. You will also receive a genuine, honest review of the content of each of these books. Also, I will let you know the difficulty levels of these books, which will help you understand when and where to use these books in your preparation journey. And lastly, I will let you know whether to give it a thumbs up or thumbs down, whether to go for this book or just let it go. So let's get started with our first book. Okay, so the first book that I'm going to review is this wonderful book in English Grammar and Composition by Renan Martin. Okay, this is a reverse image, so this is the book. Now this book has an excellent content. It has beautiful images and the concepts are explained in a very neat and clear manner. It has lots of examples and exercises for practicing the learned concept. Almost all the topics for the primary grade are covered in this book. Now this book is available in 3 versions, that is high school, for middle school and primary school. The only con that I could find was, since it is mentioned as for primary school and in India we generally cover grade 1 to grade 5th as primary. So there is no clear demarcation in terms of the content that what you need to teach a first grader and what you need to teach a 5th grader. So that is up to the parent or the teacher to understand how much to teach a child of a particular grade. There is no clear demarcation and sometimes it may get a little bit confusing for the parents. So if you are completely aware of the syllabus and the content that you need to teach your child, this book is going to be an absolute basic must-have book for primary grade. So the second book in our list is this wonderful book called Spell Check by DK Publishing. That's here. This book is like all the books of DK. This is again a brilliant book. This book is basically to understand all the spelling rules and patterns in spelling all the tricky words. It covers more than 2000 words and basically covers topics like regular verbs, tricky words, plurals and their exceptions, homophones, contractions, homographs, synonyms and antonyms, and much more. So in my view, even if your child is not preparing for any extra exams, this book is a must-have. It will help him in improving their English. So my review for this book is a big thumbs up. You must have this as a part of your child's syllabus. Now the third book in our list is this Olympiad Prep Guide by MTG. Now this book is by MTG Publication and recommended by SOF for Olympiad preparation. It is based on the English Olympiad syllabus of SOF and covers all the topics related to grammar like noun, pronoun, verbs, adverbs, adjective, preposition, conjunctions, everything. It also includes topics like word power, comprehension, spoken and written expressions, which are extremely important while preparing for these exams. At the end, there are 2 model test papers which the child can use once they are through with the complete syllabus and they can check their knowledge. Now, this book gives you an exact idea of how the Olympiad exam paper will be. The syllabus distribution and sections are same as the SOF exams. So in my opinion, this is a must have if you are preparing for Olympiad, and you should start your preparation with this book. It will give you a very good start to prepare and check your knowledge according to the exam papers. Now the next book is this workbook by MTG again. Now this book is also recommended by SOF. This book has multiple sample papers, but every unit is based on the concepts that you have already learned in the prep guide. So again, it seems as a wonderful resource if you are preparing for English Olympiad. It has multiple choice questions divided into segments and sections as per the SOF format. So as you can see, we have thoroughly used this book, and trust me, it has helped Adit a lot in his exams and also in general during his classes. He knows his grammar concepts thoroughly now and is always at the top of his class. Now the last book in our recommendation list is this one for all Olympiads for grade 2 for English subject. Now this book I got quite late in our preparation journey. Adit was already through with the first 4 books, so I was basically looking for something interesting for him to practice his learned concepts. Now this book again has all the basic English grammar concepts and sample papers. Each unit starts with a brief concept followed by multiple practice questions. Now the difficulty level of this book is slightly lower than the MTG prep guide or the workbooks. It does have some interesting topics like riddles and spell bee, but overall Adit found it quite easy and not challenging enough. So if you are preparing for Olympiad, in my opinion, you can either start with this one and then move ahead to the MTG books, or you can completely skip this one and directly start with the MTG prep guide. You can choose as per the difficulty level or the understanding level of your child. With this, we come to an end of this video. Now that you know of my opinion of all these books, I would love to hear your thoughts. Have you used any of these books with your children? If yes, do let us know your views. Or if you have any new recommendation for us and our viewers, do share in the comment section. If you found this video useful, do like this video and share it with your fellow parents and teachers who would benefit from it. See you all in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.